acceptable under section 3. All these groundful objection we will see. Right? Then he will make a first examination report and he will communicate to the controller. Examiner will communicate to the controller, and controller will provide you that first examination report. That is the drawback in your application, and you will get the 6-month time to file reply of that report, and you can extend up to 3 months for filing some extra fee. So 9-month time you will get to file that reply. If all the requirements will meet by your reply, then patent will be directly granted. If some requirements will still remain, then you will get the opportunity to being heard by the controller. Controller will provide an opportunity to being heard. You will discuss each and every technical aspect, every objection during the hearing. After the hearing, you will get the 15 days time to file submission. After hearing 15 days, controller will decide the case on the basis of your reply, your discussion. Then patent will be granted or patent will be refused on the basis of requirement of sections or law or Indian Patent Act. If once the patent will granted, patent will be applicable for the 20 years from the date of filing. And you need to pay renewal fee. Every year you need to pay renewal fee. So this is the procedure. Filing of application, publication in between, after the publication in between, someone think that any person think that this is my invention, this is wrongfully filed, you have stolen, actually you have stolen my invention, this is my thing. So anyone can file pre-grant opposition also. So this is the procedure of examination. Then request for examination, grant or refusal. After the grant, it will again publish under section 43. 1 or 43, 1 or 2, I think, are patent act. And after this 1 year of the grant, any person interested can file post-grant opposition also. Then it will again, post-grant proceeding will be held in the patent office and decision will be passed by the controller. If applicant is not satisfied with the decision passed by the controller, then applicant need to approach district court, high court or supreme court. Right? This is the whole proceeding of the Indian patent to get a patent by the Indian Patent Office. And one more important thing: if you are living in a foreign country and you are working some research project and you need to file, or if you are working in India only and you need to file directly in foreign country, so there you need to take permission from the Indian Patent Office by filing Form 25 under Section 39. Then give me permission, I want to apply patent application in some foreign country. You need to take permission. This is the official link for the comprehensive filing through our e-filing. You can use this e-filing portal. You can register yourself and you can e-file. You can upload your documents. Each and every documents you can file through e-filing only. You need to select your area. So this is the whole procedure of the, I think, the basic introductions of the all IP rights and more about the patents. This is the timeline. Provisional to complete specification, you have 12-month time. Request for examination 48 months. Reply to FPR 6 months. Further extendable 3 months. Form 3 6 months from the date of filing of foreign application or Indian application, whichever is later. Form 5 declaration of inventorship within 1 month of the filing of your application or filing of your complete specification. Withdrawn 15 months before publication you can withdraw. Hearing submission 15 days. Before grant you can file pre-grant opposition. After grant within 1 year you can file post-grant opposition. Pre-grant opposition can be filed by any person and post-grant opposition can be filed person interested. Who is person interested? Who is working in that particular area? And what are the career opportunities for the students in this IP field? In the government sector, examiner of patents and designs, examiner of trademark in GI, examiner of copyrights. In the private sector, once there is a patent examination, which is generally held every year, or it was held in 2013, 16, 19. Now it's going to in May 22. So if you are, once you get pass the exam, you will become the registered patent agent. Then you can apply in any firm which works as a patent attorneys or like patent filing. So you can become patent agent, trademark agent. If you are working with the patent facilitation centers, any if you are working with a law firm, so there are many opportunities in the IP field. So thank you so much everyone for your kind patience. This is about the introductions of the IP right from my sides. If you have any question, you can ask next within next 5 to 7 minutes. You have question answer sessions. If you think that you feel some doubt, you can ask this. You are free to ask. This is from my side. Thank you.
I request all the students to please raise your hands to ask the questions. You can unmute them. Hello.
Hello. Good morning, ma'am.
Good.
This is Dr. Dhande from Mechanical Engineering Department.
Hello. Hello.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes. Yes.
Dr. Dhande from Mechanical Engineering Department.
Okay.
I have a small question while drafting the patent. So, is there any limitation? You said that some drawings need to be included in the draft. So, is there any limitation on number of figures or drawings to be included?
No, actually, there is a no limitation. Form 2, there is a criteria. If you draft your application within the 30 pages or 10 claims, then you don't need to file any extra fee for that. Suppose if your invention, if your invention has drafted in 500 pages, 1000 of pages, it's up to you. You can file, but you need make sure that you need to provide each and every technical information which is related to your invention or which is related to your mechanical device needs to be provided. It doesn't matter whether it is required drawing or not. If it is required, you can file. Number of drawing, 1, 2, 3, number of drawing, any drawing you can file. There is a no specific limit. Controller can ask about the model also, right?
Okay. So photograph is also permitted.
Yes. Any technical information which fits, which is like fit criteria of your invention, that can be provided in the complete specification. Because you need to provide complete disclosure of your invention. You cannot hide the things from the government, right? Each and every component of your device needs to be disclosed.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, I do have a question. So for becoming a patent agent, what type of courses we do need to apply for?
Yes. Actually, science graduation is the eligibility criteria for the applying a patent agent examination. First thing, and the second thing is the syllabus of that exam will be the Patent Act. There is a book of our Indian Patent Act which is available at our website also, manual also. So you need to read that book, Patent Act or last year paper. Only patent related or law related subject matter will be the part of that examination. There will be a question related to the mechanical inventions, but that will not be, I think, the coursework which you are, I think, reading during your graduation, that will not be part of examination. Only Patent Act and patent related things will be the part of your syllabus, right? I think for this year the last date was I think already gone. The exam is going to, I think, will be held in May 2022. Next year I think you can apply.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, yes, please.
Yes. Actually, I wanted to ask is where the students can find that the work is patentable. Like there is no patent filed previously, and where they can find these details. That is, their work is innovative, or this has been already done previously, and now their work can be patentable. Like where
Yes,
they can find.
See, you can suppose if you are working, if you are like working in the research field, right? Suppose I'm doing research work in the chemistry, or you are doing work in some mechanical sort of engineering. Then there is a search engines, or there are many platforms are freely available in public domain, like WIPO website, European Patent Office has their search engine. Our Indian Patent Office also has our search engine, right? Google Patents, Advanced Patents. Every patent office has their patent search engine, and for the patent literature and non-patent literature, you can use. We are using now that publication searching. We have many platform, PubMed, or every platform like SciFinder, any platform you can use for the research, that what are the technologies already known and how you are going to solve the problem which is available in the prior art. You need to search. There are many platforms which is freely available.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes,
that
please.
while filing the patent, uh, is the same procedure continued or is there any fastest
Okay,
procedure?
I'm not getting your voice. Hello.
Hello.
Can you
Hello.
can you type in chat hello?
Should I? All right.
Yes, please. Now it's audible. Yes, you can ask, please.
Okay. Now am I clear?
Yes, please.
Okay. I had a question, which was like while filing the patent, is this same procedure continued or is there any fastest procedure?
I'm not getting your question and actually there's a voice break. Please you write in the chat box if possible.
All right.
Or
I'll take.
someone else can repeat her question, please. Actually, I'm not getting.
Hello.
Hello, please.
Yes, ma'am. She was trying to ask if there's any other fastest possible way to apply for a patent.
Yes. Expedited request is the fastest method. If she is female only, right? She is female applicant and she is applicable to file expedited request. By filing expedited request, within 6 to 8 months, you will get the granted patent. This is the beauty of expedited examination, which is the system introduced by the government for the speedy examination of the patent applications, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Hello,
Hello, yes,
am I audible, ma'am?
yes.
Okay, thank you. Ma'am, I just want to ask one question. What are the consequences of violation of copyright and patent law?
See, as far as I talk about the patent system, see, after the publication, suppose my patent got published under Section 11A on every Friday. Na? Suppose my application get published, and you have gone through that publication, and you are thinking that this is my project. मैडम ने तो चोरी कर लिया मेरा, right? तो आप क्या करोगे? There is a procedure to file pre-grant opposition. You will file pre-grant opposition that this is my invention and this is not patentable, or this is not novel, this is not inventive, and you will file the ground of opposition. There are a number of grounds under Section 25(1). You can file the pre-grant opposition. After that, both of the party, the applicant as well as opponent, will get the opportunity to be heard before the controller, before the me. So I will hear both the party, like judicial authority, like I am the quasi judicial authority. So I will decide who is correct, whether you are correct or whether applicant is correct. Right? You can file the plea grant opposition, and if suppose opponent win the case, right, and
Yes, yes.
like applicant has already launched his product in the market. After the publication, after the date of publication, he need to pay loyalty to that. Loyalty pay करना पड़ेगा उसको कि तूने मेरा product use किया है, right? So this is a legal.
Okay.
This is a legal sort of thing. And copyright also, the matter of IP protection, there will be a legal action for that. You cannot use anyone copyright.
So you mean to say the person who will register first will get the copyright of that
Yes, yes.
actually of
First come,
particular.
actually for copyright, there is a uh, no procedure to get copyright. Actually, this is an auto acquisition for the publication. I think copyright for the publication, suppose if I have my publication, so at the time of publication I just simply I filled a form for the copyright and it is automatic. This is my property now. You cannot use my publication or you cannot draft my subject matter on your name. Then I can take the legal action against you.
Yeah.
Right. Similarly, the similar things applies to the cinematographic work and broadcasting also. I think the film producer, and we all know that producer has all the rights of all the film, right? Or any someone is making remix of that particular song, then he need to take permission from the original singer that I am using your property. Give me your right. Then he will allow you, right? Then only he
Okay.
can use the original song and he can make the remix of that particular song.
Thanks a lot, man. Thanks for explanation.
Hello, ma'am. Once again, I have a question. I have my own database created of 1000 images. I have my database. Can I file a copyright for it? And when I'm filing a copyright, do I need to upload all that 1000 images?
See, actually, I am working as an assistant controller of patents and designs. So
Okay.
I'm not the employee of copyright office. So I will not provide you wrong information. So you can get the information from our website. You can ask the patent about the patent because I am working with the patent field. Sorry.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Okay, no problem. Right.
Okay, so I think we can conclude the session because I have hearing at 12:30. Uh,
Yes,
line
ma'am. We have almost reached the end of the session. Thank you so much, everyone, for asking the questions, and thank you, ma'am, for answering them so patiently. As we move forward, we come to the end of the session. I request Rohit Vardham to please propose the vote of thanks. Over to you, Rohit.
Coming to the end of the session, Rohit Vardham, take coming to the end of the session, Rohit Vardham, take this as an honor to propose the vote of thanks. On behalf of AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune, I would like to extend my gratitude to our Honorary Secretary of AISSMS Society, Sri Maloji Rao Chhatrapati Sir, for his constant support. I would also like to thank our principal, Dr. D.S. Pormane Sir, to always supporting and guiding us. We also extend our gratitude to the head of Civil Department, Dr. Uttam Avari, and head of Mechanical Department, Dr. B.D. Bachao, for his constant encouragement and support. I also extend my gratitude to faculty members, faculty coordinators, Mr. Pankaj Modak, Dr. Vidya Patil, Dr. Manish Deshmukh, Dr. M.R. Fate, for conducting this event, bringing us all together. I also thank all the student coordinators for working hard behind the scenes and making this event a great success. Now, I kindly request everyone to switch on their cameras for a quick photograph.
So now we can feel the live session only. It's done.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am, for joining with us today. It was indeed an honor to have you,
Okay.
and it
Okay.
was a
So now,
wonderful session.
okay. Okay. So now I'm leaving the session.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
can't hear you. Sorry.
Okay. Now I'm leaving the session. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. To all the students, the feedback link will be circulated in your class groups. Please go through the link. To all the registered students, the feedback link will be sent on mail. So please go through the feedback link and then your certificates will be delivered. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Patil ma'am, for this organizing such a nice event. And Vaishnavi, it was very wonderful coordination. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.